back to my channel. Today we're doing a clean with me bathroom edition. Brian and I have been out and about. We have been out of town for the last 2 weeks or so we've really neglected our home, our bathroom, our master bathroom, and we really would just want to get a deep clean out some of our drawers, and just get ourselves situated. We also will be doing some, what is it, babe? KonMari, because we've been super into Marie Kondo on Netflix. Those videos will be coming up soon. Let's get started. So just want to show you guys, this is how messy it's been for us the last few days. Even like our mirror here is all jacked up. There's my husband. I'm going to be doing a KonMari of all of my makeup. So for now, I'm just going to take that, brush it aside so we can get the bathroom all cleaned. I use this towel to clean off some of my brushes, so it's heck dirty. But yeah, we also want to clean out our drawers and just organize a little bit because everything's kind of thrown in there. And then our shower, my husband's gonna deep clean it. This is like the hardest part. When we bought this house, like the tub is just so difficult to get super white. We use the magic erasers and that seems to work really well, but I've got my handy daddy over here. You're so annoying.
So I need some elbow grease.
And he's gonna throw in some elbow grease, so yeah. Thanks again everybody for watching our videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. What we started off with was just some simple sweeping. I got my broom and my dustpan and just started taking care of that. Then Brian and I both started removing items from the bathtub and even the countertops. So you'll see us here just taking care of all of that. So in the beginning of the video, I went ahead and showed everybody how dirty and cluttered our drawers were. What I'm doing is removing all of our items and then just vacuuming out with the hose. All of the loose hair, dust, and debris that are in there. Wanted to get it super clean. I absolutely hate hair. So now that that's all clean, I just inserted this tray I got from Walmart. I actually bought it from the kitchen aisle, I guess is what you would call it. And I just start using that as a divider. And I start placing all my brushes, all my little items here. We actually don't have a medicine cabinet, which is why it's really necessary for us to have some type of organizational equipment in here. Moving on to the tub, we use a few different items. What Brian's using here is OxyClean. This stuff is bomb if you struggle with getting your tub extra white. We use this along with an antibacterial spray, and then the Mr. Clean magic eraser for the bottom of the tub. Shout out to my husband for always going along with all of these cleaning videos. He's so helpful. It's really sweet, actually. Moving along, I'm just using the Method antibacterial spray for the bathrooms, and I'm just spraying down our sink. And then after wiping it down, I use the Mr. Clean magic eraser one more time, just to get our sink super white. I love clean white. On, I just took the Method multi-surface spray, and it's for mirrors, countertops, tile. I cleaned all of the countertops with it, and then I've just been forward with cleaning our mirror. It gets really streak free, and I used a microfiber towel and just some plain old paper towel. I bet you this is the part that everyone hates. It's cleaning the damn toilet. I actually didn't get clips, but I took the Method antibacterial spray and I actually disinfected the whole entire toilet. So it's actually why at the beginning it looks kind of wet. It's because I sprayed the whole dang toilet down. I even sprayed around the floor as well. And that's because I do
live with a man, and I don't know, I just really want to get it clean. Once again, we're back to my favorite all-purpose spray, and it's the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray and honeysuckle. I've ordered from the Grove the Squirt Mop spray, and I can't wait to use that. But in the meantime, we're just going to stick to this. I also actually did the bathroom, but I used the antibacterial spray on the floor. Thank you so much for watching. That's pretty much it for this evening. I know we haven't really been consistent with videos. We had to take a 2-week break. But let me know what kind of videos you guys like, whether it's makeup, lifestyle, morning routines, cleaning. This has been so much fun. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.